Welcome to Complete Traffic Science Guide for every driver. Let's start. No stopping. Stop. Maximum speed. No left turn. Keep left. No right turn. Turn left ahead. Give way yield. Turn right ahead. T junction. Vehicles exceeding weight prohibited. Bend to left. Bend to right. End of delicate way. Steep descent. Zebra crossing. Pedestrian ahead. Children crossing. No overtaking. Deep. Uneven road. Side road from right. Traffic merges from the left. No motor vehicles. No vehicles carrying explosives. End of motorway. Cycle route ahead. Traffic signals not in use. Traffic signals. Parking place. Soft words. Accompanied horses. Horse-drawn vehicles. Low-flying helicopters. Pass either side to reach the same destination. Priority must be given to vehicles from the opposite direction. Traffic has over vehicles coming from the opposite direction. Falling or falling rocks. Double bend first to the left. Slow moving vehicles. Double bend first to the right. Buses prohibited. River bank or quayside. Side winds. Road works. Ice or snow drifts. Countdown marker to level crossing. Risk of ice ahead. Vehicles may be parked partly on the verge. Wild horses or ponies. Opening or swing bridge. Wild animals. Tramway. Road narrows on the right. Slippery road. Road narrows on the left. Loose chippings. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Lorries prohibited. Low-flying aircraft. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and comment.